Simplify each of the following by rationalizing the denominator. Here two problems are there in this third and fourth problems. Denominators are rational numbers, means irrational numbers. Whether these are the roots, surds, these are called surds. Radicals, radicals. Rational number, irrational number, rational number, irrational number. Denominator. So rationalizing factor, denominator is, what is the denominator? Denominator is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. This should be rationalized. So rationalizing factor of 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 is, here minus is there na, that becomes a plus. Rationalizing factor of 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. So with this minus is there, with the plus we have to write 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Whether it is a minus, we have to take with the plus with the same numbers, multiply and divided. So now rationalizing this, numerator is multiplied 1 into something, something. So 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by, always we will get that in the denominator a plus b into a minus b formula, or a minus b into a minus b. A minus b into a plus b, a plus b into a minus b. Both are same. So now this, if we apply that, is a formula we will get algebraic identity. A minus b into a plus b. 3 root 2, 3 root 2, 2 root 3, 2 root 3. Same number with opposite inside. So a square minus b square. Now simplify. Numerator is, there is no change. Directly it is as it is. So 3 root 2 minus, plus 2 root 3 by 3 square root 2 whole square minus, a square is applied for both parts, both numbers, for 3 as well as root 2, minus 2 square root 3 square. Power is applied to the individual terms in this square root over rational number and irrational numbers. So now here 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3, square root cancel, 3 square 9, 9 2s are 18, 3 square, 3 3s are 9, into 2, square root is cancelled, 9 2s are 18, minus 2 square, 2 2s are 4, square root cancel, 4 3s are 12, we will get. Okay now? 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 18 minus 12 is 6. So this is the denominator, rationalizing the denominator. Denominator is irrational number here. We got it, rational number. This is the answer up to this for this question. Go for the next fourth one. Here some large values are there. That how to simplify that? See, denominator is 3 root 3 plus root 2. Rationalizing factor of 3 root 3 plus root 2 is, plus is there na? Minus we have to write 3 root 3 minus root 2. Whether minus is there, plus we have to write, plus is there, minus we have to write as rationalizing factor. So now applying in that, 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2 into, multiply and divided with, plus is there, with minus we have to do to make the denominator as rational number. 3 root 3 minus root 2 by 3 root 3 minus root 2. Now numerator we will get some large numbers because of 2 terms and 2 terms. So 2 to the 4 terms we will get. So denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So now numerator is 3 root 5 into 3 root 3. Okay, 3 root 5, first term, 3 3s are 9. Like this also we can write rational number into rational number, irrational number into irrational number, radical into radical. See, rational number, 3 3s are 9. Root over terms, inside the terms, inside of the root terms, radicals. In this 5, in this 3. 5 3s are 15. Okay, now first term and second term. With this we have to multiply with this and with this also separately. 3 root 5 minus, plus into minus, minus. 3 root 5. Here it is a rational number, nothing is there, means 1. 3 ones are 3. Now root 5 into root 2, root 10. Inside root values should be multiplied. Outside root values should be multiplied. Outside root value in the multiplication should be multiplied. Okay, now in this, with this we have completed these two terms. Now we have to multiply with this as with this. Minus into plus, minus root 7. Nothing is there, means 1 is there. Without root terms multiply. 1 3s are 3. And the root terms are multiplied separately. 7 3s are 21. Root over 21. Now minus into minus plus. 1 into 1, 1. Without root terms are multiplied. Now root terms are multiplied. Root 7 into root 2, root over 14. Okay. Now the denominator becomes a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Now write the numerator as it is. 9 times of root over 15 minus 3 times of root 10 minus 3 times of root 21 plus root over 14. Now this becomes 3 square into root 3 whole square minus square root cancel. Square and square root are cancelled. Now this is square root is cancelled. Numerator is 9 times of root over 15 minus 3 times of root over 10 minus 3 times of root over 21 plus root over 14. Now 3 square, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 2. Now the numerator is 9 times of root over 15 minus 3 root over 10 minus 3 root over 21 plus root over 14 by 27 minus 2 is 25. This is the final result for this. Denominator is irrational number. We have converted, we have changed that as rational number. Like this we have to solve the problem.